At Cosori, we believe that you can live life tastefully. And we believe you can do that and more with our new C700 Pro Professional Blender. Designed with a powerful 1500 watt motor, this blender cuts, crushes, and grinds nuts and produce to the perfect consistency while still retaining all of the vital nutrients in your foods. And unlike other blenders, the Cosori Professional Blender comes equipped with a variable speed control to easily whip up culinary creations. No more unnecessary button mashing. You can prepare a wide variety of foods in the 64-ounce container. Beat the summer heat with frosty treats like fruitful smoothies, creamy milkshakes, and naturally sweetened sorbets. Skip the stove when preparing warm soups for the cold season. The motor revs up to 30,000 RPM, heating up your ingredients as they blend, so that your soup is ready to serve once the blender stops running. Create healthy nut butters for you and the family to snack on, your very own spice mix to wow guests at dinner parties, and even nutrient-rich baby food for the little ones in your family. Our included recipe book is sure to help fire up your culinary creativity. Need it to go? Use the 27-ounce travel bottle so you can enjoy your fresh blends wherever your busy schedule takes you. We believe that a happy life is a healthy one, and the Cosori Professional Blender can help you live life tastefully.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something great for people on the go. It's the Single Serve Blender, perfect for blending those smaller individual morning smoothies, protein shakes, or other blended beverages to go. The Single Serve Blender with travel lid is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 14-ounce individual size jar means you can stop cleaning those larger blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's simple and easy to store and clean. For compact storage, the jar stores upside down and the cord wraps around the base. It has a powerful 175 watt motor with stainless steel blades, so it can easily blend fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes, and it takes up very little cabinet space. There's one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button and blend. And best of all, the 14-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The Single Serve Blender from Hamilton Beach lets you leave your big blender in the cabinet and easily make and take your single serving sized smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Sharper is not always better. Surprisingly, blade sharpness has little to do with high-performance blending. Vitamix uses hardened stainless steel blades. Their shape and laser-cut edges pulverize ingredients on a molecular level. Some competitors rely on flimsy, sharpened blades that dull over time, resulting in a loss of consistency. From the first blend to the 1,000th, Vitamix blades deliver beautiful results. And not, well, this. Vitamix, engineered to change your life.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.